Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to sign out of your Xbox application. If you want to sign out or log out of Xbox, then first of all, make sure to open up your Xbox application on your mobile device. And once you're inside the home page, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. This will take you to this profile section, from where you can tap on the gear button at the top right. This will open up settings. Scroll all the way down from the settings menu and tap on sign out to sign out of your account. Now, soon after you tap on that button, you'll be redirected to this main home page. You can now switch to another account or sign into your existing account whenever you want. That's it. You've successfully signed out of your Xbox account. Doing this regularly keeps your account safe and helps manage multiple profiles. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.